Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, you know what time it is. You know, right down the road with this old big-headed fool over here. He the American dream, look at him. His name's Anthony Ballard, is what his ID says. His real name's Caesar, you know, little Mexican boy. He one of them little Mexican boys come from the trailer park. Look at him, living it up. Got him a 2020 here, Power Stroke. Got his enclosed trailer. Got his little 1800 horsepower Coyote we're gonna take to the track. See how it is. Tell them if you want Coyote stuff, where you go.
Signature speed.
Signature speed. They're fast, just not quite as fast as them LS cars. They almost. Look at him. Yeah. People said we used to look alike. Now I got in the wreck, so we don't look alike no more. But then if you look at that big old ugly mug right there he got going on, you know you important when the CCP puts you a Chinese spy, makes him marry you. Because she didn't marry him because that jug, look at that mug. Look at that mug on his head. She didn't marry him because that mug. She didn't marry this Drake looking fool because that mug on his head. She thought he was Drake. That's what it was. Look at him. She thought he was Drake. He was doing a little TikTok video. She was like, yes, jackpot. Anyway, we'll get some video for you. We'll be back with you shortly. Thank you. All right, now guys, well, we made it. I always told you, Anthony, he rich. Look at him. He like that dude. He like that dude, Nigel. Look at him. American dream. Look at him over here. Got his little twin turbo Coyote. Turbos are down here on the bottom. Things are low. We'll get some shakedown passes here shortly. The track should go hot and we'll be able to go through and get y'all some video. Sorry, the camera's jerking. My foot's hurt me a little bit today. So I'm walking with a limp till it loosens up. Anthony says this is the best prep track ever. You know my vote. I'm riding with the shady side. We've been just fast shady side than we have anywhere. I told him he has the wrong transmission in his car. I said, heck, if your car can't hook your shady side, it's your car. People have been fast in shady side before. Of course, we've been fast here too, but we've been faster at shady side. I don't believe the height. Okay, step over, don't walk on the track right now. But it looks like glass out there. Look at it, it's pretty surface. It's looking pretty good though. You want to record? Alright guys, well, it was a bust. Ended up on the first pass, went a 5:15 at 137. Second pass, well, the first pass was spun tires. Second pass went a 5:15, 137. Third pass broke his transmission. So now you're gonna fix it, repair it, rebuild it, try to go back and do it again. It ain't got, for some reason, it ain't got the first, second, or third gear. First few gears, it's she ain't wanting to move. Well, it is what it is. I'm gonna get a little bit more video when he gets back here and get his reaction. Alright, so Eric Sawwell, how you feel? You know who Eric Sawwell is? He's the one that was messing with TCP, the Chinese Communist Party undercover agent. You know, the rich fool that turned around and down been nailing the old what you call it? How's it feel? How's it feel? How's it go from feeling so high to so low? First pass, he was so high. He was like, man, he was stoked. Now look at him over here. He aggravated at what could have been. He's trying to figure it out. He'll get it fixed. He'll get it figured out. Hey, man. Well, please like, share, subscribe, comment. I'll see you one later. Thank you.